Take your affiliate marketing campaign to the next level with these powerful tips. Right now is when you need to start marking a turning point in your affiliate marketing success rates. Here are quite a few different tips and tricks that you want to take action on, when it comes to your own affiliate marketing plan. This video will attempt to guide you through some of affiliate marketing's best practices. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. Separate your task list so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. With the proper email tracking software, an affiliate can tell if his or her mail has been opened by the recipient. If it hasn't, you have two good options here. You can simply resend the mail again and hope they open it, or you can change the subject line to a more attention-grabbing title. Amazon associates in California, who had their accounts suspended earlier this year, should now be reinstating their links. A change in the law that forced Amazon to drop California residents from the program means they are now again eligible to participate. Sign into your account to reactivate your membership and get back to selling. To wrap it up, the time that you devoted to learning more about affiliate marketing should prove to be a smart move for your business. There is so much information and advice available. Hopefully, you will find that the information provided here will help you to build upon your current practices. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.